my browser, as you can see it here. Okay. So members, if you would like to really learn this, okay, if you would like to learn how to fetch products from an API, okay, please follow me on this journey and I show you how to do this. Okay. Okay. So follow me on this journey. I'm going to show you how to fetch all these products, including the product image, the product name, the product price, direct from an API. For example, from this API you're seeing here. Okay. This API you're seeing here. Okay. Okay. So members, follow me on this journey. I show you how to do this. Okay. Okay. This one here, and this is the concept that they use when they are building an e-commerce website. Okay. An e-commerce website like Jumia, like Konga, all those ones. Follow me on this journey. I show you how to do this. Okay. Okay. Let's dive in.
Today is day 55 of our web development course, and today we are going to look at data fetching, where we have, for example, fetching all products, where we are going to fetch all products. We are going to fetch all products from an API, This is what we are going to look at today. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to teach you all ways of fetching products from an API, but here we're going to use basically async. Okay. We're going to use basically async await. And we're going to use the promises. We are going to use async await because this one is the most commonly used and the most reliable and most easier to use, but compared to the use of the promises. Okay. Okay. So if I can start this, I would just like to pass through what we covered yesterday briefly. Yesterday we looked at so that was day 54. Yesterday was day 54. And yesterday we looked at local storage. Okay. So we looked at local storage. Okay. Okay. So yesterday we looked at a lot of concepts yesterday, and we looked at concepts whereby we had, for example, we learned how to set items in the local storage, where we had, for example, local storage dot set item. We learned this local storage dot set item, where we learned a lot. We learned really a lot, whereby we could put, for example, where there is a key and a value, where there is a key and now there is a value. Okay. We learned this yesterday, where there is a key and there is a value. Local storage is very, very important because it's going to help us a lot when we come in the future there, when we are testing our applications. Okay. Okay. So members, if you missed yesterday's class, I would urge you to go back and just watch this video because it's very important. And also we learned how to get items from the local storage. Yesterday we learned this. Okay. We learned how to get items from the local storage. We had, for example, local storage dot get item. Where we learned, for example, you put here, for example, the key and you get that particular key. And yesterday we also learned local storage. This one here is for clearing everything. Local storage dot clear, which clears the whole local storage completely. We also learned local storage dot remove item, and we remove that key. Okay. Yesterday we learned really a lot, and remember we learned this whereby we We even looked at this whereby we said that local storage, this one here, it requires, for example, it only deals and only with strings. Only deals with only strings, okay? Whereby if you have, for example, an array, if you have an array or an object, if you have an array or object, it will require you to first convert that, or to first change that one to a string, okay? To change to a string, and this is whereby we had to stringify. This is where we had to stringify. Okay, where we had to stringify, and when we are bringing it back, we use the JSON pass. Okay. So members, we learned yesterday really a lot, and if you missed this is going to open up a really new chapter which we shall use in the coming future. If you missed this, I would urge you to first go back and watch this video because it's that important. Okay. So let us look at what we're going to cover today. That's a brief recap. And yesterday, before I can talk about what we're going to cover here, let me first hint about what we're going to cover tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be day 56. Tomorrow is going to be day 56 of our development course. We're almost finalizing with JavaScript. Tomorrow we're going to look at fetching a single product. Fetching a single product. Okay? Fetching a single product. Okay? I won't teach you how to do this because this one is a little bit complex and requires someone's real effort and practice. Okay? So members, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification icon and you don't miss any of the upcoming classes. Okay. So this is what we're going to look at today: fetching all products from an API. For example, I would like you, I won't just draw it. You know me, I like drawing these structures for someone to easily understand. It eases someone's understanding. Okay. So you see something like a container like this one here, and their products. This one here can be like the overall container. This one here you're seeing here can be like the overall container. This is the overall container. This is the overall container. Okay. This one here, it carries all the products. Overall product. Let me even put here overall product. Overall product container. This one here carries all the products. As you can see, it's here. Overall product container. It carries all the products. Okay. Now all the products, this container here carries all the products, and you will find that the products are, for example, they are here. You see the products, they are here. This one can be like the product, and also this one can be like the product. Okay. And also the product, and also there's another one where there's also another product which can appear here. Okay. So the products can appear like this, and all these products here do not come from anywhere on our machine. These products here, they don't come from anywhere on our machine. They are fetched. These products you're seeing here. This one, and now this one. Let me take it up here, and now you see, like, for example, like this one here. These ones here don't come from our machine. They come from a server. Or they come from an API, an application programming interface. Okay. An application programming interface, an API. Okay. So these ones here, that's where the products come from. They don't come from our machine, or they don't come from where we are creating them from. They come from an API. Okay. So I want to look at this, and this is how it's going to be. Okay. So let us dive in and see how it's going to be. I come here, I create my lessons, my JavaScript class. I come here, I put here day 55. Okay. Day 55. New folder. order day 55. Day 55. Okay. Okay. So it's like this. Then I come here, I open with code. It's coming. I open with the code, as you can see. So as you can see, it is here, and it's blank. As you can see, it is blank. Okay. Okay. So we're going to create. We're going to come and we are going to use all of them. So I'm going to come here. I create, for example, index.html. HTML, as you can see. Now I come. I create here my style.css. Style.css. Very well. And I come and I create my app.js. App.js. Okay. Okay. So I come here, I create the image very well. As you can see, I put there this one. I get the skeleton framework is there, and I come here and I put the browser reset. But let me first link the CSS and the app.js. I link the CSS very well, and I also come and I link the app.js very well. So I come, I put here app.js, then I come here at the end, I put here the file. Okay. Okay. So it looks like this. So I'm going to create the overall products container, as you can see. I'm going to come here, create the overall products container. Okay. Members, you mark the way you mark the way I am putting these things, because it is very, very crucial. Okay. I come, I say dot overall products container. Products container. Okay. Dot overall products container. And I put it there. This is going to be the overall container which is holding my products. Okay. The overall products container that is holding my products. Okay. Okay. So I come here. I first put the browser reset. I put the browser reset very well. I come. I put here margin. This is 0. And I come. I put here padding. This is 0. And I come. I put here box sizing, border box. Okay. Okay. As you can see, it looks like this. So I'm going to come here and put now the overall products container. I come here, I put dot overall products container. Overall products container. Okay. Okay. Then I come, I put here, for example, width, and I put here 100%. And I come here, I put here height. And I put here height. The height is going to be like which one? Let me say 100 VH for now, just for the start. Okay. And I put here background color. I put here orange red. Okay. Okay. It's like this. So I come here, I go live. How does it looks like? So it looks like this. Okay. It's like this. So if this is like this, then we are going to come and we see. So I'm going to come here. I put now the products. Okay. I'm going to come and I put now the products. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to put here a product, and each product is going to have a product container of its own. Okay. A product container of its own. So I'm going to come here and put here dot product container. Product container. Product container. Like this. Okay. Okay. Then I come here, product container, as like this, and I come here, I put here dot product container, dot product container, dot product container, dot product container. As you can see, I don't know, take it back like this, and I put here, for example, width, and I put here 100%. And I come here, I put here height, and I put here the height. Let me say each product is, for example, let me say like 70 VH, and 70 VH work for us. Okay. And I put here background color. Let me say this is green. Okay. So let me say this is green, and that's how each product is going to appear. And when you come here and see, no. Let me put this one to maybe 20. Maybe 20 or 30%. So it looks like this. Okay. So as you can see here, I am going to put some padding to this overall container. I come here, I put padding. I put 1 rem, and 2 rem in terms of the internal container. Then I put here, no, this one is 2 rem. Let me put 2 rem. I see. Okay. Looks like this. Somehow good. Okay. So you're going to see there. So remember, as you can see, the product container is like this. But here we're going to put, for example, it's going to work more on a display, or a display of grid. Now this grid here, and it's going to work more on display of grid, because grid is something that is going to enable us to make something that is auto responsive. Okay. Now I come here, put, for example, grid template columns. And I put here, for example, repeat. Okay. And I put here auto fit. And I put here in brackets min max. And I put here 18 rem. And I put here 1 fraction, 1 fr. Okay. So it looks like that. And I come, I put here place items, center. And I come, I put here padding, but padding is already there. This is enough. Okay. So I want to say it looks like this. Okay. So here we are putting, and it looks like that. Okay. So if I can come here and I put, for example, like, and let me first style this product container very well, and I put, for example, an image like that. Okay. And I come here, I put here div, and I put here image container. Okay. And I can come here, I put here product, maybe image container. Like this. Are you seeing, members? Image container. Okay. So the image container, I can give it some bit of styles. So I come here, I give it, for example, some bit of styles. I come here, I give it, for example, image container. Okay. And I put, for example, width. Okay. Width, and I put here, for example, 100%. And I come, I put here height. And I can put maybe like maybe 30 VH can work. Let me first see. Background color. Let me first put here brown. Okay. So it looks like that. Image container is like that. We have the product name and product description. We want to work on this, and I come here, I put here. Now we have here, for example, product name. And I put here product name. As you can see, looks like this. Then I come here. All these containers I am doing, I am preparing them for what is coming in the future. Okay. Product name. Okay. And I come, I give you, for example, this is width. I give you 100%. And I come, I give you, for example, height. I can give you maybe like 10 VH. Okay. Like 10 VH. And I come, I give you a background color. Background color, I can maybe say blue. Okay. So I'm preparing each and everything for what is coming to come. Okay. So we have detail, price, and detail. Okay. We have price and detail. Okay. So I come here, We have price and detail. When I come here, I put, for example, here dot price, and now it's that I'm also going to put a content like that one. But this one here, I can even just duplicate that one, dot price. Then I come here, I give here, for example, this is width. Okay. Then I can say that the width is maybe 100%. Okay. 100%. Then I come here, I give here, for example, this is height. Then I say height is let me just give these ones 5vh because they are very, very small. Okay, 5vh. Then I come, I give you a background color maybe let me say pink. Okay. So it looks like this. Okay. Let me increase the size of the image a little bit, from 40vh to around like from 30vh to around 40vh, and I see. So it looks like that. Okay, so I want to increase it bigger and bigger. So maybe the price, let me increase the size. I increase the price of the price name. I maybe put maybe 7vh. I'm also here 7vh. I see. Okay, so it looks like that. Okay, it's somehow good. Then lastly, I can put the detail. Okay, I can maybe put the price, the detail, and maybe I don't know if I can put here. Can I put here the detail right now? I don't know whether it is that possible, but I want to see what I can do. But I feel like I don't know why. Can I put the detail right now? I don't see that one valuable at the moment, but maybe I can just come here and say I can just put it at the end here. Maybe .view details, .view details, or .view details. Okay, .view details. Okay, view details. Then I come, I put it there. I come here, I put here .view details. Okay, just like this. So I'm preparing each and every container for what is to come. Okay, so I can come here to view details, and I put here width, and I put here, for example, width is 100%. And I come here, I put here, for example, this is height, and I put here the height is for example, like let me say 7vh. And I come, I put here background color, and I may say maybe aquamarine, and I see. Okay, so it looks like that. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, so this is the image container, the price container. You can see. Okay, the product name and the view details. Okay. So you can see the view details container is there. Okay. So everything is good at the moment. Everything is good. Okay. So here I'm going to put an image. Here I'm going to put here I'm going to put the product name. Here I'm going to put the price. Here I'm going to put the view details. Okay. So I can come here and put here an anchor tag. Can come here, put the anchor tag, and I say here view details. Okay. View details. Okay. So it's going to take me to the view details. It's going to be here. Okay. So I want to come, when I style this one, I come, I put here, for example, this is display flex, align item center, random center, justify content center, Okay. So it looks like this. Okay. But instead of putting view details, I
testing each and everything, okay? And I come here, I put here, now I'm going to style it. I come inside here, the price, and I say here, display flex, and I say align items, center, justify content, center. Justify content, center, okay? Okay. So it looks like that, okay? Okay. Then I come here, I put here the image now. Now, after putting then I put here is going to be the production name. So the product name is going to be, I want to put here P, a P tag, then there's going to be a production name there. Okay? I can even put here my casual premium coat. I just put something like that. I'm just testing, okay? Okay. I put here P tag, then I put here my casual premium coat. My casual premium coat. Casual premium coat. Premium coat. Okay? Okay. So I'm just testing. All this that I'm doing is testing. You first test each and everything, okay? Okay. So I come here, I put here product name. I come here and I put here display flex. Display flex. Align item center. Align item center. Justify content center. Justify content center. Okay? Okay. So it looks like this, okay? It's like that. Okay? Okay. So I can come here and maybe I increase the size, the font size a little bit. Font size, and I put maybe large. Large or larger. Okay, it looks like that, okay? Okay. So as you can see, it looks good. Then I can come here. Now this is what the image is going to be, okay? Okay. So I'll first come and I test the image, how the images are going to be, okay? The image container. So now I can just get any image, okay? Maybe I can just come here and I get any image of a coat and I see. Just want to test there, okay? I just want to just test. I put here quotes. Then I put here image. I just want to test and see how the image is going to be. So I'm just looking now for any quote. Just I can even just put here maybe men's quote. Men's quotes, and I come here, I put here any image, okay? Any image. I just need only an image, okay? So I can come here, I save image as, I just put here quote, okay? GFF file. It has come as a GFF file. So it's coming, and I come and I bring it inside here, okay? I just want to test and see. Yes, I'm using this one as a test. It is not going to be the actual images that I want to use, okay? Using this one as a test. And I come here, it's now inside there, my folder. You see? It is here, code.gff file. And I come here, I put here image, img class, and I come, I put there style slash code.gff, okay? Okay. Can maybe just say this is sample image, okay? Okay. Sample image. So it looks like this. So I want to say it looks like this, okay? Okay. So I want to come here. And I say here inside this container. So now I want to get this image here and I tell how the image is going to appear, okay? I want it to be like this. So I want it to say max width, okay, max width, okay, like that, okay. This is good. When I do like this, it's very good because it will stretch, eh? Mean height and max width and mean height, and even when I put here will mean height work? Okay, let us do like that, okay? Okay, it's good, it's very good. So at the moment it's good. Then I come here, I put here now, I now style that container, the image container. Come I put display flex, align it in center, display flex, align it in center, justify content, center, justify content, center, okay? Members, I hope we are following very well, okay? So it's now in the center, okay? Okay, so everything looks to be good, everything looks to be fine, okay? Everything looks to be good, everything looks to be fine, okay? Okay, so I can just maybe come in and style the overall container, this one here. The products container, this one you're seeing here, and I style it, okay? Can maybe just come and I put here, for example, border radius. And I put here maybe, let me say like 5 pixels, I see. And it looks, let me say maybe, let me just say maybe 10 pixels, I see it looks. Still using nothing. Let me say maybe 10%, and I see. I understand there are some containers which are there that are obstructing, okay? I understand that there are some containers which are there that are obstructing. I understand this. But for now, let us just go with this, okay? Okay. So as you can see at the moment I'm using default colors. I always use default colors to debug, okay? Always use default colors to debug, okay? Okay. So at the moment you can see it looks like that. But now I'm going to keep I'm going to remove I'm going to keep removing those colors because I've already used them and their purpose is done, okay? Okay. So I come and remove this one here. The color is good, okay? So it's good, okay? It goes back to green. Then I come here and remove now the pink, this one here, okay? So it goes back to green. Are you seeing it? Then I come and I remove the blue, okay? Seeing the blue, I now remove it. It goes back to green, the original color. Are you seeing, members? Then I come back and I remove now the brown, okay? Then I come and I remove now the brown, okay? It goes back to the original color, which you can see is there, okay? Okay, so maybe I want it when it is white in color, okay? And instead of green, I want it when it is white in color, okay? So I come here and move from green to maybe white in color, okay? Okay, so it looks like this, okay? Okay, so this is how it's going to be. This is how it's going to be. But now let me just put some bit of padding, padding, let me just say maybe 0.5 red, okay? 0.5 red, just like this. Oh, no, it's not going to work out. I know what is happening. Let me just come on this one here, the lower container, and put some padding because it's not that is being affected. Padding, let me just say maybe 0.2 red, okay? Okay, so it looks like that, okay? Okay, so I want now maybe to, after removing the colors, I want maybe to have some bit of border radius. I am forcing border radius by all means, but it must happen. Let me say again, pixels, okay? Okay, looks like that, okay? Some are good. Some are good, okay? Okay, so it looks some are good. Maybe what I can do, I can just reduce the image container a little bit. Then I reduce the image container like, let me say by 5, okay? 45. I want to increase this one here. Then I increase this one by 5, okay? So this one becomes, this one here becomes total page, okay? There's something I'm planning to do. Okay, exactly. Okay? View details, so like this, the image is like that, okay? Okay. So I can maybe come here and I maybe inside the image container, I give it some bit of body. Okay, I give it some bit of body. I may just say padding 0.2 level. Okay, so it doesn't be so much inside. Okay, so it looks like this, like that. And now I don't feel this one. Let me first go back and put the background color brown. I don't feel it. I don't feel the padding is there. I don't feel the padding is there. Put maybe 0.5 frame and see. Yeah, somehow good, somehow good. Yes. Okay, it's somehow good. It's somehow good. Okay, it's somehow good. So let us go with that. Let us go with that. And at the moment, let us go with that. I see this is good. So let me remove the background color. This one here. At least there is good. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, it looks like that. Everything is good. Okay. Okay. So now I have tested this one. It's working out somehow good. Okay. Now I know sometimes it's going to come and somehow crash, but you're going to see what you're going to do there. Okay. You're going to see what you're going to do. So we're going to come here, and I put maybe on the image. I'll be changing some small styles. Okay. On the image, if it crashes somewhere, I'll be changing some good styles. Then I come here. Maybe I can just put some bit of but let me just leave it like that. Let me just leave it like that for the start. Then you can come and see. Now I'll test how responsive this thing is, the overall product container. This overall product container, how responsive it is. What am I going to do? I'm going to come and duplicate the product container into like 5 or 6. I want to see how responsive it is, okay? I want to see how responsive it is. That is my only aim, okay? To see how responsive this is. So I'm going to come and I put here, I want to duplicate the product container. This one here, see here. The product container, I want to duplicate it into like 6, and I see. So I come here, I duplicate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Maybe when I say it looks like. So right now it's crashing. It is crashing. I understand this. I understand what is happening here. It's crashing. And I think what is causing this is the style, okay? The overall product container. This one here, the height. Are you seeing this one? It's crashing because of this. Let me just put here min height, okay? Min height 100 VH. So min height 100 VH, it goes like that, okay? Okay. So now the product container, it appears to be like as if it is 30%. As if it is 30%. Let me just put here 100%. Okay? Yeah. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. So as you can see, it looks like this. Then you put some bit of gap, some bit of gap to make it somehow good. Then I come here and put some bit of gap. Then I come here and put here gap. Let me just say 1 rem. Okay? 1 rem. Okay, it's good. Everything is good, good. Okay? So right now at this moment in time, everything is good. I've put everything to its right place, okay? Everything is now good, okay? Now what I'm going to do, we are going to fetch products from an API, okay? My major aim was leaving it like getting this and making it like this, okay? So we are going to fetch products from an API, okay? You see all this, products are not going to come from here, okay? This one was just a sample image. Are you seeing this sample image here? This one was just a sample image. But now these products are going to come from an API, okay? They're going to come from an API. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to come here, and I say, for example, I go to my JavaScript very well. They are now going to come from an API. I'm going to come to my JavaScript here. You You see my JavaScript is here, okay? And I now put an API, okay? I come there and put maybe const. Yeah? I put here, this is the API. This is the API. This is the API which we are going to fetch from the products, which we are going to fetch from fetch. We are going to fetch from all the products, okay? All the products, okay? Okay, it looks like that. Then you can see what is going to happen. You want to see what is going to happen. Then I now select the API. Now select the API. Select the API. The API. Okay, select the API. I come here, I put here const. Okay, I store the API in this API, and I say it's equal to, and I put the API there, HTTPS. Okay, HTTPS, then I put here dot, then I put here slash, then I put here fake. Okay, store, fake store API, API.com slash products. Okay, slash products. Okay, okay, looks like that. Then I come here, I put, then I create the function, then create the function, create a function to fetch and display fetch and display the product data. The product data. Fetch and display the product data. Okay? Fetch and display the product data. Okay? Okay. So I come here, I put here, for example. Now right now that you're using async, okay? You're going to use async, okay? Async away. Come here, I put here async. Okay? Function. Okay? Fetch and display, okay? Product data, okay? This is the function that I'm going to use. Function, this one is fetch and display product data, as you can see it there. Then I come here, I put here, open the quotes there. Then I come here and I put something like this. Then I say it's like that. Then I come here, I put here const response is equal to fetch. Okay? Const response is equal to fetch is equal to await, because we are using async, okay? Await fetch. Okay? We are going to fetch now this API you're seeing up here. This API you're seeing here. Okay? Okay. So as you can see it like that. Now, at this moment in time here, now we are getting the data from the response, okay? We are now getting the data from the response. I can put here. We are now getting data from the response. Getting the product data. From the response. Okay? Remember that response, the fetch fires requests, okay? The fetch fires requests, various requests, okay? It fires various requests and expects a response, okay? Now we have to get data from the response, from that response. I come here and say const, okay? Product data is equal to await response.json, okay? Converted to a JSON format, okay? Okay. So it looks like that, okay? Okay. So at this moment in time, I can even come and see CLG console log and we see the data, how the data looks like. CLG, I put your product data and you see how the data looks like. At this moment in time, we can even see how the data looks like. So when I come here on my browser here and I see, you can come here and you see even how the data looks like. I come here and inspect. you're seeing nothing in the console because there is one thing I wanted done. Remember, this is a function. We have to call it back, okay? We have to invoke. It's called invoking. We have to invoke this function back, okay? At the end here. So when I do that, you can see the data is here, okay? It is all here. This data that's coming from the API. Are you seeing this data here? Are you seeing this data here? So that is coming from the API, okay? Okay. So at this moment in time, everything looks to be very, very good, okay? Everything looks to be very, very good, okay? Okay. So at this moment in time, there is something that we have forgotten to do, okay? So now fetching this data here like this is problematic, okay? Fetching this data like this is very dangerous, okay? What if this data fails to show up? It will be a very big problem, okay? So we have to put all this in a try catch, okay? I copy all this and I put in a try catch statement to catch any impending error that may happen, okay? And I put all of this in a try catch. Then I come here, I put here console log. In case there is an error, I put a console log. Then I put something went wrong, something went wrong, something went wrong, something went wrong, something went wrong. Then I come here, I put here, and I see the error now. Error. I see it, okay? Okay. So it looks like this. So this is how it will appear, okay? Okay. So now we are going to do something which is a little bit more complex, okay? So after us creating that function, okay, now you're going to create a function within that one to display the data, okay? To display the data. So I can come here after this one here. I can even now come and remove this. So it's not necessary for me now. Right now the function that is going to display this data, okay? So I'm going to come here and create now the function. Now I come here, I put here, put the function that is going to display the data. Because now right now we have seen the data is in the console, okay? Now we want the function that is going to display the data on the UI. The product data. We want to display the product data on the UI. Okay? Okay. So I come here, I put the function there. I put here this function is going to be display data. Display product data. Okay? Display product data, and that's the function. We take it back. Display product data, and it's like that, okay? Inside here, the function is called display product data, and inside here there is product data. Okay? Just like this, okay? Just like that, okay? Okay. So after doing this, I can come here. Members, I hope you are following very well how everything is going, okay? I hope you are following very well how everything is going. I hope you are not lost, okay? We are moving together, okay? Okay. So I come here. Now the function to display the product data. I want to show you how the function is going to look like. I come here and put here, for example, function, okay? Function, it is called display product data. We just call it up there because that is where the data, we are fetching data from, okay? Inside there. Function display product data. It's like this. So it looks like that. And inside here we have here product data. As it looks like that, then we put something like this. Okay? Okay. Function display product data. So we put it here because this is where we want it to work. Okay? This is where we called it up here because we want it to work exactly after it gets data from the console. It works, it puts it now inside here. Okay? Okay. So now at this moment in time, I can come here. And now, right now, what you're going to do is very simple. Because you can see that we have, for example, data, and we are now going to use the for each to look through all the products, okay? We I want to use the for each to look through all the various products. Okay. Okay. So right now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come here. I say product data dot. Okay. For each. Dot for each. Dot for each. Okay. Dot for each. Then I put that like this, and I put here dot for each product. Okay. Dot for each product that dot for each. Then I put here dot for each product. Okay. Dot for each product. Okay. Then I put here an arrow function like this. Then I come and I put these parentheses there, as you can see them, they are there. Okay. But for each product, for each product, like that. Now now this is the stage whereby we go, and now we are putting now everything. Okay. Okay. So now in this stage, this is where we're going to put our everything inside here. Okay. Now we're going to copy the whole template of the HTML and put it inside here. So at this point in time, this way we're going to copy the whole template of HTML and put it there. So it looks like this. So I come here. Now we're not going to use now this one here. When you go back on our UI here, when you go back on our UI here, you will start these ones here, they are very many. Okay? We just need only one template of this one. We don't need all of these. Okay? This one I was using it for detecting the responsiveness. Okay? Okay. So these ones right now I may not even require them. I may even come and remove them. I may not need them that much. I may even come and remove them, and I stay with only one. Okay? I want to look through all these ones, and I get only one. Only one product. Okay? Okay. So I made with only a template for this one. A template for a particular product. Okay? That's the only one that I need at this moment. I don't need very many. I don't need very many product templates. I need only one product template. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to come, I get only this one, which was this one here. The only one that I need. I come here and get this one only. I come, I copy this, and I bring it inside here. I bring it inside here and I say const. Then I put here product template. Product template. Product template. Template is equal to. And I put here these backticks. Okay. I put the backticks. I'm going to make it dynamic. Okay. I'm going to make it dynamic. So it looks like this. And I put here now the product template is here. I place it there. Okay. Right now I place the product template there. Okay. Are you seeing it, members? Are you seeing it, members? Okay. Okay. So I'm now going to put the whole product template there. As you can see, it's there. So this is how it appears. This is how it looks like. Okay. Okay. At this moment in time, you're going to see how it's going to happen. Even if now right now we remove the even if we remove it from the other side, there is no problem. So at this you can now see it is like this. Now this is the template that we are going to use. We are going to reuse this template to create more and more products. Okay. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to come here and then create, for example, are you seeing up here? Are you seeing up there? Okay. Now I'm going to come here. Just going to come here and I create, for example, I'm going to come here and I create and I now select. I select the what I'm going to do. I'm going to select the products container, the overall products container. Okay. Okay. So I come here. I say, for example, cost. Okay. I come here, I say const overall products container. Okay? Const overall products container, as you can see, it's there, is equal to, okay, is equal to document dot query selector, document dot query selector, okay, query selector, and I put now the overall product container. This one here you're seeing here. You see this one here you're seeing here, overall product container. This one you're seeing here. It's one that I'm going to take here. Okay? So that I'm going to take here. And I put inside here dot this. Okay? Okay, looks like that. Okay? Okay. So at this moment in time, this is one that I'm going to use. At this moment, this is one that I'm going to use. So now I'm going to come at the very end of my products container. Right now, before I can do that, I'm going to first select this one here. I'm going to come inside here. Instead of this quote here, yeah? Instead of this one here, I'm going to come and I put now something that is dynamic. Okay? I'm going to make it dynamic in this way. I come here, I put now inside the products template here, I put $sign, and I put something like this. Okay, making it dynamic. Okay, and now I come here, product, I put product dot image. Okay, it's like that. Okay, so product dot image. Then I come here, I put, for example, now at this moment I come, I look through here, then I come, I put, for example, now inside here where there's my casual premium quote, and now we're going to put product dot title inside here. I'm going to come, I put a product dot title inside here. So it's going to be like this. I put this one, and I put here, and I put here product dot title inside there. Okay, so when I come inside here, in here where you see this price here, I'm going to put their product dot price. Okay, come here inside there, then I put now product dot price. I put the $sign there, as you can see it very well, and I put their product dot price. As you can see, it's like that. So at this moment in time, I've made everything dynamic. I have made the product image dynamic, I've made the product title dynamic, I've made the product price dynamic. And each and every data is dynamic. And you see the product is here. Okay? Product is coming from this one here. So the product is coming from this one. Product.image, product.title, product.price. Okay? Product data, it was the product data from here. Okay? Product data came from this one. It passed through. Are you seeing from here? Product data, I passed it through here. Product data dot now the product. Okay? Then I come here, I put product.image, product.title, product.price from here. Okay? Okay. So right now, at this moment in time, since I've already selected the overall products container, which is up here, that I'm going to use. Okay? This overall products container. That I'm going to use right now. So I come here. I'm now going to come here. At the very end. At the very end of this one. And I come here, I put now at the end here. I can even put this quotes here. And I come, I put here overall products container dot insert adjacent HTML, not adjacent element, adjacent HTML. Okay? Adjacent HTML, I put here before end. Before end. There is before begin and there is before end. Before end like that. Okay? Okay. Then I come here and I put here product template. Product template. Okay? This one you're seeing here. The product template. This one here. This one. Are you seeing this one? Is this one which we are putting here? Okay? The product template. Okay? Okay. I think right now I feel everything is good. I feel everything is good. As you can see, it's like that. So, this moment in time, I think everything should even be working. Okay? Everything should be working by this time. I can even come here, and even now I can even remove this. Okay? And now remove this one. Because I'm already made it dynamic. So the overall product container you're seeing here is empty. Okay? In HTML here. In HTML here. This overall product container you're seeing here. It is empty now. I can even put here and put here, it is empty. It is now empty. Okay? It is now empty. Okay? It is now empty. Okay? Now remember we got the overall products content, we got the products content, and we put it this time in JavaScript here, and it became like a template. Are you seeing? It became like a template. Are you seeing this template here? Okay, we brought it here. Then we made it dynamic by putting product with image, product with title, product with price. Are you seeing this? Okay, so it looks like that. Okay, okay. Right now I feel everything should be working, even before you can see. Okay, okay. Let us go and see. Now it has worked. It's working. Okay. Everything is now working. Okay. Everything is now working very, 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 very good. Okay. Yeah, everything is now working. Everything is now working. Okay. But now the only thing that is what is hitting us. I used the only thing that is hitting us is CSS. Okay. Is CSS is the one that is hitting us. Okay. CSS. So I want to work on CSS. Image container is like that. Now image container is the one that is hitting us. I want to work on that one. I want to work on that one. And now I can see. Yeah. So let us just work on that image. Let us work on that image, and we see. You see, it has fetched the product image, the product name, the price. I see everything is good. Everything is good, okay? Everything is looking really good, okay? Okay. So now, what is hitting us is the image. The image is badly hitting us. CSS is badly hitting us, okay? Okay. And I know what is causing that. When I come here on the image here, this image here, I put something like min height. Yeah, min height, okay? Okay, like that. Okay? Like this, okay? Okay. So even this one, I'm supposed to put some bit of product name. I'm supposed to put some bit of padding. There's no padding. Come here, put your padding. Padding, let me say maybe 1 rep. Okay? 1 rep. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good, okay? Okay. Wow, 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 wow. Okay? Wow. Okay? If you really like this, please hit the like button, okay? Hit the like button. And please, members, if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and you don't miss any of the upcoming classes, okay? Okay. So members, it's really good. It has been really good. Eh? The whole products, all the products you're seeing them here, they are there. And they are coming from an API. Okay? There is no any product that I've used here. Okay? There's no any product I've used here. All these ones, they are coming from an API. This API you're seeing here. Okay? I can even come in and copy it. I can even come and copy it and I show where they are coming from. When I come inside here, Google, okay? When I come inside Google here, and I paste that API there, like this, okay? They are coming from this API you're seeing here, which has all these clothes. I see this API which has all these clothes here, okay? They're coming from this API and they are coming inside my browser here. You're seeing here, inside my project. So I'm fetching them from the API here. This API you're seeing, then they come inside my project, okay? Okay. Just a brief recap about where we began from. I began by creating the products container here, but right now at this moment it is empty. Okay? This one here, I got it like this and I put it inside here. Inside the product template you're seeing here, which is dynamic. I want to make it dynamic so it has the product image, the product title, the product price. Are you seeing this? Okay? Then here we have the lower container, as you can see. Then the overall products container. Overall products container is one that is here. The overall products container is one that we are seeing here. Okay? The overall products container. Then I come here and say insert adjacent HTML before end. Before end means that at the very end, but before you end. Okay? At the very end, before you end. Then I come and put a product template, as you can see it there. Then it's like that. Wow, 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 wow. If you have any questions, please put in the comment section. I see how I can address them. Okay? Okay. For now, I would like to end here. Okay? For now, I would like to end here. In tomorrow's class, tomorrow is going to be this is what you have done. Okay? In tomorrow's class, you're going to do this, fetching a single product. Okay? Fetching a single product. Don't miss, guys. Don't miss. Okay? Don't miss. Okay? Okay. So members, I would like to end here today. Practice these concepts. Okay? Practice on a daily basis. Okay? Practice and practice. Don't forget to practice. Okay? Because when you practice, you get better. You get better and better. Okay? Okay. I would like to see you in tomorrow's video. Don't miss tomorrow's video. Okay? Please subscribe and hit the like button. And it will keep like so that you keep updated. Okay? About any of the upcoming videos that come, notification icon. Okay, members. So we shall meet in tomorrow's class. I wish you a very, 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 very good